Not using Veeam? That probably means your current backup solution isn't enough to get the job done. Backup job failures, unprotected machines from the data center, endpoints in the cloud, and missed SLAs, these are all common experiences when using legacy backup. Plus, explosive data growth makes it more imperative than ever to scale your services to meet protection and retention goals, without breaking the bank. Sound familiar? Well then, it's time to expect more from data protection. You need a solution that just works, for you and your business. A backup solution that protects everything, everywhere at all times, delivered on time and within the backup windows your business demands, along with the reliability and flexibility to meet SLA, retention, and compliance goals. It's all made possible by the automation needed to scale with ease, meeting needs across the spectrum of data and company size. Stop settling for less and switch to Veeam Backup and Replication. Protect all your data, scale to win, and achieve your objectives. Download your free trial now and start getting your backup jobs done.